Wonderful good evening. My name is Alexander. I'm the founder of GI Group, a renewable energy startup from Bosnia. And my confidence in the past was always, come on, making a video, that can be hard, right? Oh boy, was I wrong. It's not nervosity, it's tickling a little bit because it's something unknown, something I'm doing the first time. So thank you for taking your time and listening the next few minutes to me. The solution and also the problems that we encountered in the past are quite easy to explain. Based on Eurostat data, around 100 million households need renovation and new heating. The current heating over oil or coal are not good for our environment, not good for our children, and it's also not good for the pocket. Especially Eastern Europe, Balkan regions, we face an additional issue. Finding and financing 5, 10, 20k euro for a new solution, new windows, new isolations, it's something that is unreachable for the most. And what if I told you there is a way to basically solve all problems with one solution, our solution? What we basically do is the following. We buy boilers, heaters from Toplin or someone else that produces in Serbia, in Bulgaria, install it into your home, into your kindergarten, into your school. We produce the pellets, we deliver the pellets, we lock you under a 25 years contract, you pay exactly the same as you pay currently, and we capture only the difference between the savings. You're happy, we are happy, we spread into the entire European Union and also globally, and you as an end customer have an amazing new system. You remove carbon from the environment and you have a new, better heating. So basically we tried to bootstrap, we failed. We came up with a solution to offer our service to one single investor. We have verbal agreements with Asian development and also European development banks that they will tag along once we have one leading investor and better traction. So what we are asking currently is, are you a perfect fit for us? We give you an exclusive chance to be the first, and I would like to get an answer until the end of the year, so basically we can choose with who we want to work with. Thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and thank you for the chance to present ourselves better. Have a nice evening.